वेदांता लिमिटेड ह्या कंपनीचे नॉन डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ 16,500 crores contingent liability and requesting the SEBI to withhold the listing permission for Vedanta Iron and Steel Limited VISL, which is scheduled to be listed on 15th June 2026, that is tomorrow. So tomorrow the SEBI is scheduled to list Vedanta Iron and Steel Limited shares. So that means the name will start appearing in the stock exchange. Now, why I have made this complaint? The Vedanta company have itself done a demerge. This Vedanta Limited company was demerged on 1st May 2026. And they have split themselves into 5 different companies. That is the first is Vedanta Iron and Steel Limited. Then Vedanta Power Limited, Vedanta Aluminum Metal Limited, Vedanta Oil and Gas Limited. Now our problem is not that they have demerged. Our problem is that the Supreme Court of India has clearly and repeatedly said that the ore that is beneath in the Goa's soil belongs to people of Goa, and nobody can make profit out of that. No private company can mine that ore and keep the profit beyond what is lease permits them. Now this extracted ore can be used for their own consumption up to that the limit. Now here the problem is, out of the extracted ore, nearly 31% of its total production has been sold overseas for profit, which otherwise belongs to people of Goa, as per the Supreme Court order, which they have repeatedly said. Now the problem is the Vedanta demerged itself, as I said, on 1st May 2026. And the extracted ore worth rupees 16,500 crores was illegally extracted and it was exported. Now the problem is the Vedanta Limited is no longer holds the mines. They have transferred it to VISL, that is Vedanta Iron and Steel Limited. Now, by separating this, the Vedanta itself has found a escape plan by separating its assets and liabilities. Now, Goa government and people of Goa are supposed to get 16,500 crores because this ore belongs to the people of Goa. It is a revenue for the people of Goa, and 16,500 is not a small amount. It is a big amount, which is equivalent to 50% of our total budget. आम्ही जर आमगे टोटल बजेटाचे पळयलें जाल्यार जवळ जवळ 50% बजेट तितले अमाउंट. म्हणजे गोंयकारांक लायटीची बिलां जी पळय ते वाडोवन सद्याक इश्यू केल्लो आसा, ती लायटीची बिलां गोंयकारांक फ्री दिवपाक मेळटली, उदकाची बिलां सुद्दां लोकांक फ्री करपाक मेळटली, आनी कितलेशेच गोष्टी सबसिडायज करपाक मेळटले.